Hello vendor friends, myself Arnav from GozoCab once again with a new feature, the new video. This is very interesting for you guys. Here you can earn. So let's see how you can earn from by create a booking. So let's open the Gozo Partner app. By this option, apart from your regular booking, you can earn some extra money by creating a booking on behalf of GozoCab, even on behalf of customer. So in many cases you will get to know by while driving that customer want to get the another booking, or by flying customers will ask for the different booking. So on behalf of them you can create a booking and you can earn money from that. So that book option called sell a Gozo booking, this is the option in available in vendor app and driver app. So let's check the vendor app option first. Tap on that option and you will get the entire details out here. So read this information carefully. You will get the 7% of the base fare as a commission if you create this booking on behalf of Gozo and behalf of customer. The booking will be made on the Gozo platform itself. So you can create that customer's booking on the Gozo platform and you can earn 7% of the base fare. That is the additional benefit, additional feature, additional earning for you all. Let's continue. Tap on continue and start creating that booking. Just ask the details from the customers and gradually continue the creating the booking. So let's create the one-way trip. Tap on one way. If you want to create that booking by yourself, you can click on self, and in that case you have to select that whatever the whosoever the vendor that you need to select from here. I don't have any vendor selected, hence it is not showing. I am creating on that Gozo network. If you are creating that Gozo network, so it will comes to us and we will assign the vendor. So Gozo network, only creating booking you will get the commission. You don't have to worried about the vendor and drivers and service. That will be completely responsible by the Gozo. uh, you just create that booking and earn the money. Gozo network, then tap on next. Select the city, ask from the customer like Delhi. So that is the Delhi, and Delhi to Jaipur. That's Jaipur International Airport. Next, tap on next. Ask the date, it's 11, and confirm the pickup time from the customers, it's 7:15. Tap on next. It's a very user friendly things. You need to just continue asking and clicking on this and just make that booking and get that commission. So it's loading just because of my slow network. Let's complete the details. See, it's compact. Here is the details mentioned. 11 December is the pickup date and time has already been taken. And this is compact value. This is base fare basically. This is compact value plus, and this is select and SUV value plus, select, and this way you'll get to know, and you can continue details, share these details with the customers. If you want to know the further details, click on that or tap on that eye icon here available. So probably for example, if customer asks for the compact value plus option, if customer agrees with this, just select on that and tap on next. Here's the first name you need to ask from the customer. Say it's Biraj. Singh. Biraj Singh is going to travel with us and collect the phone number. Let's say it could have been that is, I'm just creating that gmail.com. This is the sample I'm taking, but you have to collect the original details from the customer and put it out here. Tap on next. Again confirm the Gozo network or self. It's Gozo network. I will pay to Gozo means you have to collect the amount from the customers, and customer will pay to Gozo. If you select the customer will pay to Gozo, so Gozo system will send a link, payment link to the customer. Customer will pay from that link only. So let's select the customer will pay to Gozo. See, message also comes, and again this is the thing. Yeah, the booking has been created. Booking ID, you can share the booking ID with the customers. If you want, you can take the screenshot and share with customers. Your job is done. Now Gozo will take care of it, since it's a Gozo, you have created this in Gozo platform, so Gozo will take care of it. And this is the entire thing. Customer need to continue with that. So customer, once the customer will pay from that payment link, your booking will be confirmed, and gradually will assign the vendor and drivers, and the booking pickup will be done. So this is very simple. In round trip, the entire process is same. You have to select the cities properly. That's all. So if you just select the cities properly and you just continue with the round trip option, it will again remain same. So that is another option we have launched from the Gozo Cab, just that our vendor can earn some extra money. Vendor can earn some extra money by doing this. So use this helpful feature, use it and help yourself. I'm sure this will be very helpful video for you guys, and it is very interesting as well. You loved it. Use this feature, and if you like this video, just share this video with everyone, like it and subscribe Gozo. And if you have any feedback, put it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.